choose these 10 cars for this particular event? Baka sa sinasabi nyo, bakit yung mga low-end, yung mga entry level? This is an Aventador, Lamborghini Aventador.
SV.
SV, that's the
Super Veloce.
Exactly. Okay. you don't sell that. You keep that for life. So, what went into your decision to choose these cars in the first place?
Sabi ko nga, growing up and being born in Sampaloc, Manila, siyempre nangarap ka rin. Kaya sumikap ako. Una mo namang gusto ng bata ka magkaroon ng sarili mong sasakyan. Nung nakamit ko na po yun, gusto mo magkaroon ng mas magandang sasakyan. Nung nag-upgrade na ako hanggang nung nagkaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng nagkaroon ng mga ganito pong mga sasakyan. At nung time na yun, siyempre medyo bata pa po tayo, na-enjoy naman natin yun, nagamit natin. But now, in my position, na I think na mas maraming matutulungan ko, mas maraming makikinabang, I think it's time na mapunta na siya to good use. As I've always say, we don't just do this to help, we do this to inspire others to do the same. And yun po ang gusto natin mangyari dito sa event na to. Hindi lang para mabenta lahat ito at makapagtayo ng mga dialysis and diagnostic center. Pero para mag-build po yung culture of giving at mas marami pang bumaya. Marami tayong kaibigan, kakilala na marami rin sariling collection. Malay natin, madagdagan pa yung mga magbebenta ng mga sarili na sakyan para makapag-build pa tayo ng mas maraming dialysis and diagnostic centers.
Right, thank you so much for clarifying that. Let's go one by one with the cars. So we want to explain to everyone which cars are being sold to raise funds for the dialysis center in Manila. But to appreciate, the value of these cars, pag-usapan natin. One of my favorite cars now, Rolls-Royce Trade. This is not, of course, this is not the Phantom, which is much heavier, much bigger. This is a sportier version.
This is a two-door.
That's right.
Two-door Rolls-Royce.
It's a coupe. It's a Rolls-Royce, legendary British company. Tell me more about this. Well, what did you see in it? Why did you want it for yourself?
Before I bought this, nag-start ako doon naman sa mga ibang sports cars. Pero as you grow older, you want to have some comfort and some sophistication. So before, medyo, we grew up in the streets, hip-hop tayo, so medyo nandun tayo sa mga medyo supercar. But nung medyo nagiging mature tayo, we wanted a classier, luxurious sports car na
Still
sporty kasi Rolls-Royce has 4 doors. But this particular car has only 2 doors.
They call it a coupe, or a coupe, as they say. Ito yung talagang
yes.
Like a personal car.
Actually, this is my personal favorite.
Ito yung chauffeur-driven, no?
Hindi.
The kind of car you want to drive
Yes,
yourself.
usually kasi when you have a Rolls-Royce, there's a driver and you ride sa likod. Pero ito po, ikaw mismo yung mag-drive.
And look at these doors, ladies and gentlemen. They open the other way.
It's
That's
called
a Rolls-Royce way.
It's called the suicide door.
Suicide door.
Doors. So,
because you're unprotected, kaya suicide door.
Diba, wala mga kalapis dito. So, this is one of my favorite cars. But now, swerte na makakabili nito, makakuha nito dahil hindi ko ito masyadong nagamit actually.
Which is good for the buyer because he's getting a car that's almost brand new. Carbon nice numbers also.
Yes.
Okay, Sam, let's move on to the next car. Actually these are my favorites. The color you chose, Lamborghini Aventador S. By the way, the Rolls-Royce, if I'm not mistaken, the acquisition price is something like 40 million pesos, right? 40 million pesos for the Rolls-Royce, and lucky buyer, whoever gets it.
Yes, super fresh, hindi ko nagamit, so thank you so much doon sa pagbili niyan.
Okay, ito naman Sam, once you buy this, you don't get old.
Oh man.
It's the Aventador Super Veloce, which is like the even sportier version.
This is one of my favorite, hindi yung favorite car ko kasi nakapangalan po sa akin to.
Oh man.
Oo, kasi this is
SP.
SP. So, when this came out, sobrang pangarap ko to. Ay, sorry. Talaga hindi ginagamit. So, gusto ko dito, siyempre, vertical doors din. So, this is my favorite. This is my favorite colorway. When I got this, sobrang Sobrang pangarap ko lang. So, me and my partner got one each. But now, hindi na namin nagagamit. But this is, at that time, was the king of the road. V12 engine. The last, I think, of the naturally aspirated.
The newly released